This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, how to hide multiple columns in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So basically, I have this big data sheet and I want to hide some of the columns because they're kind of getting in the way. Here's how to do it. So you're going to select one column and then you're just going to use your arrow keys while holding down the shift to select multiple columns. You can do 3 if you want at once. And then you right click over the 3 highlighted columns and then you select hide columns B through D or whatever they may be. So they will be out of sight, but the data will still be there. But this makes it a little bit easier to browse. If you have a situation where you want to hide multiple columns that are not attached to each other, this is how I do it. Select column B and then select column E. Basically what I'm doing on a Mac is holding down the command key and then hitting the left mouse button. But I think on Windows it would probably be the Alt button or the Windows button at the same time you click on your mouse. So you can see 2 columns are selected that are not next to each other. Then you right click over it and then select hide and they are hidden. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.